Like their star. Arrived in Cardigan. Are we going to go buy a cardigan?
You love a cardigan. Black ones as well?
T-Bone's making me buy clothes.
You haven't got any flowers. You really like black. Why do you go a different colour?
Black. You might lose me. Is that what you want?
Grey? Navy?
Nah, it shows sweaty marks, doesn't it?
Not green.
Black. Always black. She's making me buy this.
No, you want this. I would have tried something else.
She's making me buy it.
No.
I like that.
I don't.
Don't you?
Blue. I don't like blue.
Oh, there's a black one behind it.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high.
Tim, you can't park here.
Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
That was a quirky little number, that. That was good pizza, wasn't it?
Oh, it's lovely pizza.
Yeah.
We're all carved out now, though. It's so good.
All carved up.
I didn't get a whole one. We got all that other crazy stuff with it, didn't we? I thought they had potato cakes, and I thought because we were in Wales, it was like a Welsh cake. I'd ordered them. Wait, stop.
Disappeared. Oh, there she is.
With these little potato balls and with these spinach balls. But it was nice.
But we've done like 17,000 steps or something, haven't we, today?
My legs are hurting. Our crazy adventure this morning that failed.
10 minutes away from the park up that waterfall was, and it took us 2.5 hours to find it.
Oh, biscuits of truther, that's all I can say.
Bed now. Right, I don't know if you can see this or hear this. We're parked there. This van came and parked next to us earlier. There's a right old din coming from it. There's an old guy, I don't know if it's an old guy. There's a guy playing a didgeridoo. I mean, it's like, oh, for frick's sake, we want to go to sleep. It's horrendous. Rolf House is next door.
What a din. He's just been doing it for hours. He did it last night for hours, didn't he, as well?
Mm-hmm. Can you guess what it is yet?
One of those doos of the didgeridoo kind.
Yeah.
Sorry
good.
if you're a didgeridoo player.
I don't think there's many.
But look how big this car park is. And he's parked next to us. And decided to play a didgeridoo.
Yeah, we're going.
He must have a good set of lungs. Do you need a lot of lung power for them?
I don't know. It's a din, that's what I know. We left Didgeridoo Man behind, didn't we?
Yeah,
And
he's still playing. Not me, probably. I was expecting.
There was a suspect van as well, wasn't there?
Yeah.
That kind of was sat in his van watching us for ages. And then as soon as I started up the engine, he started his engine and drove off, so that was a bit weird. So we've driven out of the car park.
Yeah.
Parked up by the Cardigan Castle. We're going to have a quick look. And then we're going to Cardigan Bay.
Yeah. Oh, hang on.
Yeah?
Yep. Sorry, biscuits here.
Right, so where's this castle?
It's very quiet. What time is it? It's about 9:30.
Sunday morning.
So there's not many people about. So we're just going to have a little wander and then head off there.
Yeah, let's have a look at this castle. Alrighty. There's not much to see. I think you have to pay to get in. I don't think we're going to go in. It's like a restaurant-y thing up there. So this is the entrance.
We're too early, aren't we?
Too early anyway. But where is it then?
Well, where you see it from past the wall. I don't think you can go around.
Oh well. Should we just go to Cardigan Bay?
Yeah.
What? Yeah, well,
Let's walk round.
let's just go.
And
We're going to go to Cardigan Bay, and then we've got a campsite booked somewhere. Where is it?
near Quay.
Near Quay, yeah.
So it's about 30 minutes in the opposite direction in which we want to end up in, but it's only 30 minutes.
That's
so
alright. And then we can replenish water and all of that stuff, and have a relaxing evening cooking steak on the fire pit.
Every time we say it's going to be relaxing, there'll be a drama.
It won't be relaxing. Of course it will be.
I mean, we can't even get out of the house sometimes. That's good for us. It's only because we haven't eaten. I'll be hungry in a bit.
I'm hungry now.
So this is the wall, isn't it? This is the...
Yeah,
I just think maybe this is all that's left of it. Apparently the first battle was in 1091. That's a real
Sketchy facts.
No, it's a real fact because I've just looked. Because I knew you were going to ask me something.
Sketchy facts.
That's all I know.
Did it land here?
Yeah. The Normans landed here and did the battle.
Oh, yeah. Can't see much.
Maybe we need to be across the road.
There's a river. And a bridge. It's quiet around here though.
Yeah. It's really, last night's sleep was quiet, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You do. But he did stop at 11.
He did stop at 11. He didn't start again till 8 this morning, so he was considering that way, I suppose. But why park right next to us and do that? I don't know.
He's got an amplifier as well.
No, but we had to pay £10 a parking there. It's a weird sign, wasn't it? Because it said for caravans or any vehicle adapted for sleeping in was a set amount for overnight, and then it said no overnight sleeping.
But unless you have 24 hours.
That's weird, but obviously nobody came and knocked
There
in.
was a couple of vans parked in there for the night, wasn't there?
Yeah.
What's that up there, though? Is that the card? Look, sorry, I've just seen that over
hang on.
there.
Are we in
Hang
the
on.
wrong place? I've just seen a castle over there.
Is that a castle?
This is us all over, isn't it?
I have no clue ever about what's going
No,
on.
what's that? That's not. Is that a castle?
No, I think that's just a church. What?
I don't know. There's
Anyway,
a bit of a
this is
cross.
into the, you can see round here now. This is the guest car park of it. Oh look, that looks cute, little stone man. I reckon he was the Normans.
More sketchy facts.
No, yeah, that's sketchy because I know nothing. That's true.
Where? Where's she going? You trespassing again?
Stay here, Brent, I think.
What, in the van?
No, in the accommodation.
Oh,
And then the guest car park.
okay.
See it there.
Alright. See you at Cardigan Bay. T-Bone made us walk over here because it looked like a castle, but it's a church disguised as a castle. Yeah?
Pretty though, isn't it?
Might have been made in time
Well,
as the castle,
yeah,
sketchy
I mean,
facts.
if all the stones look the same, then it got to be, hasn't it?
Yeah, so they had some leftovers.
There's
and,
a few walls around there that look the same.
yeah, and they built this
Yeah.
church. We do like a good church. We can go
I mean,
in.
it's the dead centre of Cardigan, this.
Oh, boom. So we couldn't show you a castle, but we showed you a church that looks like a castle. How about that? It's lovely, isn't it? Dead gorgeous.
Then, but I decided not to say anything.
We just said something.
I know, but I mean, like I was going to say something, which is obviously a sketchy fact, so I just decided
Go on.
to know.
Go on, add to the sketchy facts library.
Them ones were quite grand, those tombstones around there. I reckon that was one of the Normans.
No. I didn't understand what do you mean?
The ones around the corner.
Oh,
Yeah,
what?
they look a bit grander, don't they, the tombstones?
They look grander.
Yeah. Than these ones. So I'm reckoning there's a Norman.
You know him, do you? Norman.
He's one of the Normans.
Oh dear. Nice. Are we going to go in or not bother?
Now let's go to Cardigan Bay.
Let's
See the
go
dolphins.
see the dolphins, if we can find any. What's this one over here? This must have been really special.
No, that's newer. You can read the writing still.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's only 1800, isn't it?
they're quite new. That's what you're saying. Right, let's go. So we tried to go to a couple of places. We tried to go to Quay, and that was murder. Don't recommend driving a motorhome into it. And we tried Poppet Beach, again, nowhere to park. It's a real shame because there's some beautiful places. Now we are at the campsite. We're a little bit early, so we're just hanging about, loitering, you know what I mean? and we're going to enjoy this campsite. It's a bit too far away from Quay, so we're going to get the fire pit out, have some dinner and just enjoy the sunshine here, and then we're going to try and find another campsite nearer to Quay where we can walk to it. This is Caravan and Motorhome Club 1. This is the closest one they have to Quay, but we'll go on Pitch Up or something, see if we can find something else and hopefully do that. If not, we'll stay here another night and maybe see if we can get a bus down, but I don't know how we'll do that, but we can inquire, can't we? This is the site we're in. It's called Shawsmead Caravan and Camping Motorhome whatever club. There's us, look. Nice. Mrs H is going to get some rays. I'm going to set up, get the fire pit out, make some lunch, and we're going to sit here and enjoy this peaceful, lovely little slice of heavenly goodness. Alrighty, so we've ended up here in this great big field all to ourselves. How cool is that? On a farm down a really sketchy country lane, and we've got views of the sea across there. We're a 30-minute walk, I believe, into Quay, so we can get down there, and there's a viewpoint 20 minutes away where we can see dolphins if we're lucky, apparently. But yeah, this is nice. Sun's out again, love it. So this is what we're going to do. It's midday-ish now, and we're going to walk off in a minute and see what we can find. Little lamb. Some more little lambs. There's another little lamb. That's the drive in. We're walking out now, obviously, going down into Quay. Isn't it, Mush?
Talk to me.
Where are you? Why are you hiding again?
Well, the legs are shorter, aren't they? Can't get there as quick.
Our legs are still hurting from that time we got lost.
How many sheep do you reckon are on that hill over there?
I reckon there's 68.
68. A million sheep in Wales now.
This is more sketchy facts, go. Sketchy facts about sheep, go.
10 million, yeah, 10 million sheep I think, and there's more sheep than people. It's nuts, isn't it? I think it's like,
how many?
I don't know, maybe a 1 ratio,
3 to 1.
3 sheep to every one. I mean, we see these fields like absolutely full of sheep, and there's only going to be 2 people owning them, isn't there? There's like hundreds in there, so it's got to be true.
That's some logic for you, but apparently that's true. 3 sheep to every 1 person in Wales, isn't it?
I think so, yeah. I think I actually read that.
That's not a sketchy fact, that's actual fact.
Is it an actual one?
You can Google it. So this is the campsite. It's on a farm. We got it through Pitch Up. 26 quid, non-electric, but I didn't need electric because everything is full in our van. And we got the whole place to ourselves. Awesome.
I would say tier for none.
Tier for none.
Probably wrong there.
Tier for none.
Walking on that course.
Sorry?
Some people, is that the course the road we're supposed to walk on? There's some people there walking along that bit. Is that where we're supposed to be going?
I don't know. I was just going to follow the... Look at it, it's gorgeous.
Apparently you can see Snowdonia from here, can't you, on a clear day?
On a clear day, but not today.
And sometimes you can see dolphins from the viewpoint. That would be amazeballs if you do that.
Look at this thing. It's like the front of a boat. Oh, facts.
Oh, want to see all them.
All the birds you can see in the area and all of that. This is a bit dodgy.
Boat there, there's one on it. There's a boat down there, so obviously I'm looking out for dolphins, aren't you? So we're going to see them.
Look at that. Flat. Totally flat. Hey T-Bone. We didn't train for it, did we? Enjoy it so far?
Yeah.
Let's go get cider.
And an ice cream.
T-Bone.
With a flare. I might get some thousands or something like sherbet on the top.
Talking. Boy, you boogers, keep the noise down.